Hi and welcome to Matchmove for Production by VFX Tutors. I'm Josh and in this video we'll be continuing with shot MM22. In part 2 we'll be importing our camera into Maya and getting it ready to be used. So Maya is opened up. First thing we want to do is go File, Import, and we'll navigate to where we exported out our files. You should have a Mel script file for your camera. We'll select Import. And in your outliner you should have a scene group now. You'll have an Ant zoom camera and a Sigma camera. So you can delete the Sigma camera because we don't need that, because that's from the lens grid. And next if we go File, Import, and we'll go to our data package, set geo, scan, and I'll just bring in the only branches OBJ. Import. And now we just have the branches. So now if we go to panels, perspective and Ant zoom, we can now see that we're looking for our camera, but we've still got our old image plane on. So if we select our camera here, with this little camera icon, go over to image plane, go to image name and select the yellow folder. Now we want to navigate to our image sequence. UDP, and we'll select our first one, click OK. So now we'll change our alpha gain to 0.7, use image sequence, and change our depth to 1. Now if we scrub for our timeline, we see that everything's working pretty well. We can go to shading and select wireframe, and we can look through, and everything's sticking really well. So anything you have walking along this branch is going to work pretty much perfectly. So if we group, select our branch to scan, select Control G and group it, we can call this set geo underscore group from group, and just middle mouse click it under our scene. So now everything's set up, it's ready to go, it's all tidy. Yeah, we're done with this shot now. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more like this.